Today we're going to learn how to invest in the stock market $1 at a time for free. Ready? Download Robinhood, sign up of course. Then you're going to search for VOO, stands for the Vanguard EFT, it mirrors the S&P 500. You're going to set up a recurring buy for $1 at a time, hopefully twice a month, once a month, whatever you can afford. That's it. That's the whole video. Of course, it's got a little more detail than that, so if you want to stick around and learn about why and how, let's keep watching. Now, this plan assumes two things. One, you have no debt, and two, you don't have like a 401k or employee provided retirement plan. One, it's the greatest wealth creation tool in basically the history of mankind. Money in the stock market averages 10% growth per year. Now, of course, some years are a lot higher, some years a lot lower, but 10% per year is nuts, and it's much more than you can get in many other places. Number two, you want your money to grow. Money to bank account doesn't really do anything. If you take $100 and put it in a jar right now, in 10 years, you'll have $100. If you invest $100 in the stock market today, in 10 years, you'll have $259, 10% a year growth, right? Big difference. You want your money to grow for you. And number three, you don't have to be a genius. You don't have to start a company or discover the next greatest invention. You just have to buy companies that are doing well, and then when they do well, you do well. So we know you want to invest in the stock market. Number two, what companies to buy? The short answer is, we don't know. Literally. We don't know if next year Google's gonna have a great year or a bad year. We don't know if Microsoft's gonna come with a new product or a product that bombs. We don't know if Facebook changing from Facebook to Meta is gonna do great or bad for the company. We just don't know. So instead we diversify our risk. We buy lots of different companies instead of just one, so that when all the companies do a little bit better over time, we do better as well. So we wanna buy a little piece of each company, but buying one piece of each company is pretty difficult. In fact, if you wanted to buy one share of all the top 500 companies in the stock market, it would cost, I don't even know actually. If you know, put it in the comments, but it would cost, I think, several $100,000. I just don't have that much money to invest, so how do I buy a piece of each company? Luckily, there are companies that offer products that do just that. Mutual funds and EFTs are how you buy a little piece of a lot of different companies. Mutual funds as we know them today were invented in like 1924 in Boston. Now this is very important actually, listen to this. Not all mutual funds are created equal. There's lots of people out there who want to take your money, who have picked a bucket of stocks or who have an investing strategy, who will say, hey, invest with us and we'll get you great returns. However, they charge a lot of fees. They charge fees for buying, fees for selling, fees for managing it. Fees over time, not a good thing for you. You want low fee or no fee mutual funds. Now Vanguard basically invented these kind of no load, low fee mutual funds. They're really good to invest in. However, there's a problem. A lot of investment funds require a minimum investment of $1,000 to $3,000. I don't know about you, but a lot of people don't have $1,000 or $3,000 sitting around. So what are we gonna do? Luckily, there's an alternative. EFTs are exchange traded funds, get it, EFT, right? They don't have a minimum. They just cost the cost of one share. So instead of having to buy $1,000 worth of mutual fund, you can just buy one share of these EFTs. However, while these EFTs are doing really well, and the price of them is still a little bit high, right? One share of the Vanguard SP 500 EFT, or VOO, right now at the time of filming the video, the price is $429 per share. So if you don't have $430 to invest, don't worry, there are brokerages, which is a fancy word for companies that will buy or sell stock for you, that allow you to invest in fractions of shares. It means you can buy a small slice of a share, sometimes down to a penny. But this is crazy because a few years ago, each time you bought or sold stock, it's called a trade, it would cost $5 to $15. So buying $1 stock for a $5 fee, totally not a great idea. However, nowadays, awesome for us, there's no fees for buying and selling. There's no fees for trading. So we can buy $1 stock and we actually buy $1 stock versus getting all of it eaten up in fee. There's a lot of no-fee brokerages out there. I recommend Robinhood. It's a great beginner one. It's an easy to use app, easy to use mobile website, and they allow fractional buying of shares. So how to use Robinhood? Download it and start signing up. There'll be a few questions and you have to verify your identity. You have to put in your social security number, address, and everything. They do this to make sure you're not illegally transferring money for people and stuff. And it usually takes about 5 to 7 days for your account to get set up. Then you link your bank account, it's safe and secure, and you can start investing. Once we got Robinhood set up, we're gonna search for the Vanguard SP 500 EFT, or VOO is the ticker, and we're gonna buy $1 of this. Now, I would highly suggest that you make this automatic. Whenever you get paid, just start investing $1 or more if you can afford it into this Vanguard EFT, and then hold it for ever, or I guess until you retire, right? And now you're investing in the stock market. You want a little slice of all the top companies in the US that are listed on the stock exchange. As this grows, your money's gonna grow. And this is now your start to investing in the stock world. Congratulations. Now, if you like this, please consider subscribing. I started this YouTube channel on the same day as my brother. We're both trying to reach different milestones of number of subscribers and different goals faster than each other. So we're kind of competing. So if you like what I'm talking about, please subscribe. And also check out his channel as well. He talks about decentralized finance, which is a very interesting and a very exciting opportunity right now. Next video, we're gonna talk about what you should do if you have a couple $100s to invest every month. Spoiler, it's pretty similar to this one, but there's some key differences. See you then.